Variant Standard. Originals by Africa's Best Therapy Tea Tree Oil Hair Growth Review. ID 57731. Hey there, beautiful souls! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dig deep into the products you're curious about and separate the hype from the honest truth. If you've ever struggled with a flaky, itchy scalp or brittle hair that refuses to grow, you're not alone. And that's exactly why today's spotlight is on Originals by Africa's Best Therapy Tea Tree Oil Stimulating Growth Oil. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an honest beauty review. This is a 4-ounce bottle of tea tree oil designed to nourish the scalp, relieve itchiness, and replenish dry or brittle hair. It's made in the United States and promises to stimulate hair growth while moisturizing and revitalizing your strands. The formula is easy to use, and its key ingredient, organic tea tree oil, is renowned for its scalp-soothing and antifungal properties. I started incorporating this oil into my routine by applying a few drops directly to my scalp and massaging it in. It absorbs quickly without leaving an overly greasy residue, which is a big win if you're like me and hate that heavy, sticky feeling some oils leave behind. Over the past few weeks, I noticed my scalp feels calmer, less itchy, and my hair appears slightly fuller, especially around the hairline. The scent is very natural, herbaceous and refreshing, but not overpowering. What I love is how versatile it is. You can use it as a pre-shampoo treatment, overnight leave-in, or even mix a few drops into your conditioner. That said, because it's a potent oil, a little goes a long way, and consistency is key for seeing results. The texture is lightweight and smooth, which makes application straightforward even for thick or curly hair. On the flip side, if you're expecting instant dramatic growth, temper your expectations. Hair growth is gradual, and this works best as a supportive long-term treatment. Also, those with very sensitive skin should patch test first to avoid any irritation from the concentrated tea tree oil. In terms of value, this 4-ounce bottle is fairly priced considering it's organic and multifunctional. You're getting a product that not only targets scalp health, but also nourishes the hair itself. Compared to some higher-priced serums and scalp oils, this one delivers similar benefits without breaking the bank, making it a solid choice for consistent hair care routines. The packaging is simple but functional. A sturdy bottle with a secure cap that prevents leaks, which is crucial for oils. I haven't noticed any issues with durability, and the oil itself maintains its efficacy over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. For anyone exploring alternatives, while this oil is strong in its simplicity and natural formulation, other tea tree or growth oils on the market can offer added ingredients like biotin or argan oil if you're seeking extra hydration or nutrient support. But the core benefit here is the scalp-stimulating anti-flakiness action of tea tree oil. Overall, this product excels in soothing the scalp, reducing flakiness, and supporting healthier hair over time. It's ideal for anyone struggling with dryness, brittleness, or minor scalp irritation. If you're patient and consistent, it can become a valuable part of your hair care routine. Thanks so much for tuning into Beautyistic. Remember, the link to grab your bottle is in the comments or description box. If you've tried this tea tree oil yourself, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. I love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out,